Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. ### tutorial on Java URL separator. In Java, the URL separator is a crucial aspect when working with URLs, especially when you're constructing or parsing them. The URL components, such as the scheme, host, port, path, query, and fragment, are separated by specific characters. Understanding these separators helps in manipulating URLs effectively. ###URL components. A typical URL has the following components. Scheme, protocol used, example HTTP, HTTPS, FTP. Username and password, optional credentials for authentication. Host name, domain name or IP address. Port, optional port number, default for HTTP is 80, HTTPS is 443. Path, path to the resource. Query, optional query parameters, key value pairs. Fragment, optional identifier for a specific section of the resource. ###URL separator characters. 1: used to separate the scheme from the rest of the URL and to separate the port from the host name. 2// indicates the start of the authority section, user info, host name, and port. 3 separates the user info from the host name. 4/ used to separate the path components. 5 denotes the beginning of the query string. 6 marks the start of the fragment identifier. ### working with URLs in Java. Java provides the java.net.url class for working with URLs. This class allows you to parse URLs, extract components, and even open connections to resources. ### example code. Let's go through a code example that demonstrates how to construct a URL, parse it, and retrieve its components using the URL class. ### explanation of the code. 1. Import statements. We import the necessary classes. 2. URL string. A URL string is defined that contains various components. 3. URL object. We create a URL object using the string. 4. Component retrieval. Using the methods of the URL class, we retrieve and print each component. Get protocol, gets the protocol, scheme. Get host, gets the host name. Get port, gets the port number, returns -1 if not specified. Get path, gets the path. Get query, gets the query string. Get ref, gets the fragment. Get user info, gets the user information. ###output. Running the code will yield the following output. ###conclusion. Understanding URL separators and using the URL class in Java allows developers to manipulate and interact with web resources effectively. By grasping the structure of URLs and the Java API, you can build robust applications that handle web interactions seamlessly.